Man, here it is, the TST e-bike, the R002 version, 1500 watt motor, 7-speed. Stay with me, you don't want to miss this. We've got this thing powered up and we've got it on pedal assist 5, which you do all that over here. You can go down right here and change your pedal assist mode, so when you're pedaling it will give it more increased power. Let's go up to the 5 mode. I kind of like it easy breezy. There we go. 3, 4, 5. Let's get on it and go. Thumb throttle's here. This will literally pick the front wheel off the ground underneath you. It's on its best power assist mode. And you're probably asking, why are you wearing a helmet? I wear a helmet on all my motorcycle first rides, and you could subscribe to the channel if you want to see those. I do first ride videos every week. This is the back brake over here, and it will lock it up. We better stop. I always recommend you stop at all your traffic signs. Let's go. But watch this front wheel. Watch this front wheel. Watch this. It'll pick that front wheel off the ground. It's a powerful motor. Right now there is a discount. If you use my discount link in there, you can get a $100 discount. This thing will go 28 miles an hour. I'm about 205 pounds. It will lock that back brake up, and that front brake is plenty stiff as well. It will stop you. I might, if I kept riding this a bunch, I might move that over here. But I don't know, that left thumb throttle's pretty cool. You tell me what you think. But man, this bike does everything you want it to do, and it's not a $7,000 e-bike. And when you pedal, it gives you power. I've got it up in the big gear on the 7-speed transmission. Here we go. They say it has a 60-mile range. It does have suspension in the front and back. It has a rear monoshock. I tell you what, this thing is super fun, and these are a lot of fun. Have not charged the battery since the first time I rode it before this. It takes about 4 to 5 hours to charge the battery. Let's go down some gears on our gear selector. I better watch what I'm doing. We got people flying around here. Go down. You want to pedal. See, and it's giving it that pedal assist. You can probably hear that electric motor running. Let's go down into first. Oh yeah, it's a big gear, so it doesn't take much effort to pedal, but it makes huge power. Whew. I tell you what, in that low gear, you got to be careful because it's pushing you. I'll show you that again. I won't give it any throttle. There's about 8, and it brought it up to 13 mile an hour. Now we'll take it with the throttle. I think honestly you would have to be, and it's not fully charged, you can see that. It's 3/4 of the way charged. But to push this thing 20-21 mile an hour, watch out for that car. It takes some power. But that motor's in that rear hub. And like I say, it will lock that back brake up. This is a really, really cool bike. It's not a $7,000, $8,000 Chiron. But if you're just wanting to play around your house or go to the park or anything like that, it'll definitely be able to handle that. We'll take it off-road a little bit. Let's go here in the grass. Oh yeah, no problem. It does have a place for a license plate on the back, and the suspension's pretty good. Let's get this thing opened up. Awesome. It's made in California. This company's been around since 2017. TST. I've always wanted an e-bike. Thank you to TST for reaching out to me. I'll have a discount code description of this video. Let's start getting this thing built. Here we go. There's a headlight in the first box. Cool looking. Let's see what's in the second box. Here we go. User manual. Oh wow, charger, pedals. Looks like a tool, bunch of tools. There's what you get in the box. Kickstand. This looks very simple to put together. This is my first e-bike. These also come with the passenger pegs as well. Here they are. Take them out. We'll put those on. Also too, it comes with a back rack, and I'll show that to you. Here's the back rack. I'm gonna cut it out of the plastic. Everything is really covered so it don't get any scrapes or scratches on it. Cut that off. Everything is well protected in transit. I will say that. They must be getting a deal on zip ties, TST, because y'all definitely got this thing covered up. There we go, there's that one. Take the one off the seat here. There it is. We are gonna put this on. I kind of like the look of this. I like the look of this whole bike. It's a 1500-watt bike, and those bolts are right there, already in there. So we're gonna check the air in our tires. They recommend 20 PSI. Oh, drop the cap. Let's put this on there, turn it on. We'll air it up to 20 PSI. There we go, that stopped. We'll air the back one up. Get this on there. The other one had 7.5 pounds. Oh, this one has 25.5, so I guess they want that back one to be up for sure. Thank you, TST, for sending me this bike. Is this a pass or is this a buy? It's a buy. I would definitely buy this bike for what it cost. I mean, it's very capable. It says it has a 60-mile range, and I haven't challenged that, but it's still got no problem. And I'm not even on a full charge. Man, it's got the brakes. There's no worry about stopping it. Still going. I mean, no problem with it whatsoever. It'll do 20 like it ain't nothing. And really, in the neighborhoods and stuff, that's fast enough. Now, if you were going to ride it to work or something, you'd probably need a little bit better bike. But for $9.99 less a $100 discount you get, it's a solid bike. I mean, all the components, the Shimano gear set, the Shimano shifter, the brakes, these brakes work and it will stop you. It does have a headlight. Let me get off and show you that. It's really real cool. And then that'll be the end of the video. Turn that headlight on. We'll hit the headlight button. There it is. Super cool looking little headlight. And it actually works. I had it out at night and it throws a pretty good field on it. But there it is. The TST e-bike, the R002 version. There's your rear shock, your Shimano gear set. You can see that in there. Your back passenger pegs. It does come with this back rack. Thanks for staying with me on this review, and we'll see you on the next one.